Some other things to be aware of when formatting Excel. So we can highlight multiple cells at once and apply the same kind of formatting. The fill color and the font color. Now if I wanted to apply this formatting to say everything in column A, I click the Format Paintbrush and highlight all the other ones, and it applies the same kind of formatting. Notice you've got the same sort of things you can do in Microsoft Word: bold, italicize, underline. I've also got a double underline now. You can change the font, the size, and if you want to increase things to get a feel for what it would look like, you can just use these up and down ones here. A good thing to do, if just to notice, is to center numbers, because often when you enter them, it's from an accounting point of view, whether it's dollars or decimals, everything's aligned to the right. So what if I center those? I highlight those and I click middle, or I click left. A good thing is to have consistent alignment in all of your cells. Now notice it was intelligent enough to know that all of the headings across row 1 were black, bold, black with red, so it automatically did that. Something new. That's a new feature in Excel. And you can select all kinds of different borders here. All borders good for readability. Another thing you can do, you can wrap text. So if I had a really long word, say numbers, and I wanted to wrap on 2 lines, I click in the cell in question, click wrap text, and it forces the the text down, in this case 2 rows. If I wanted to make that go just on 2 rows, I'd bring that up, click here, double click down here between 1 and 2, and it brings everything up. Now that's something interesting to know about. If you've got text that is too hard to read because it's not, you've typed in and there was something next to it, you move the mouse between the line up here between C and D and double click, and it'll make the cell the minimum size it needs. Equally, you can do the whole spreadsheet at once by clicking this top left corner, and it makes either shrinks or expands things. Now let's say you've got a column of numbers and you get the hash symbols. The hash symbols basically mean there's not enough space to display this number. So again, we double click here, or notice, yeah, okay.